So I'm going to start working on the visual portion of my extended metaphor poem. My poem was I Am a River. So I want to start by doing a Google image search for river. So if I type in river and then under the search bar there, if you click images, all of these images of different rivers pop up. So I'm going to collect like 7 or 8 of these and just going to press and hold and hit save image and allow them to be added to my photo library. And I'm going to pick pictures that I like of the river. Like that's kind of a gross brown image of a river, but I like this one here because it illustrates all the twists and turns. I like this one because you can see those sharp angles and the sunshine going off of this river here. I like the image of the waterfall on this river as well. So I'm going to just collect a bunch of river images here and have them all on my camera roll. Then, once I have completed that, I'm going to go into my camera roll and I'm going to edit these pictures so that the color and the tone all fit with the mood and the message of my poem. So if I click edit, there's a few things that I can do. If I hit this plus and minus sign, I can change the exposure to make them darker or brighter. I can add more like pop to them, or I can make them a little bit darker or more shadowy. So if my poem is maybe on the sadder side, I might lower that brilliance. You can add some highlights or lowlights. You can see how the picture's changing. More shadows or fewer shadows. You can click down here on colors and make certain colors pop, or you can make it a black and white image, which might fit for some of yours as well. You can take those colors cooler so they're more in that blue range, or you can make them warmer so they're a little bit more red and yellow. I kind of like mine on that warmer side, I think, and give it a little bit of a nice tint. So I'm going to do that with all of my pictures as my first step. Once I've done that, I'm going to use, there's a couple of different apps that I can use to do this. I could use Canva. I can make a collage in photos. You also have Sketchescool on your iPad. And I think Sketchescool is one of the easiest ways to do this. So you can upload your images into Sketchescool. Hit the plus sign there. And once you upload your images, you hit that button there, you're going to go to photos, and you can add all of these and then arrange them into a collage type pattern. If you click on it and kind of extend it up, you can make the photos fit where you would like them to go. You hit the check mark to edit that once again. And then once you have that all looking the way that you want it to look, you can then add the text of your poem. You could use a square and put it over the front of your poem and type your text. However you want to make it look, you're going to visually represent the poem that you chose and your metaphor. When you are finished with that, you can take a screenshot, or you can export it hit the little squareo and hit save image. And then you're going to upload your image into Empower for your assignment for the week. If you have questions, let your teacher know.